Hey guys, I'm Katie, welcoming you back to another episode of AFI's DIYs. Today I'll be showing you how to make an easy and fun to use product, massage bars. This product is surprisingly simple to make and it's super moisturizing. By the end of the video, you'll be sure to want to add this to your line. What you'll need to make these are soap mold, a double boiler, and a mixing utensil. To make 6 bars, you'll need 79% or 3.5 cups of shredded cocoa butter, 10% or 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 10% or 1/2 cup of coffee beans, and 1% or 7 milliliters of your favorite fragrance from AFI. I took a trip down to AFI's massive library and today I'll be using Hazelnut Vanilla. I think it'll complement the coffee beans perfectly, not to mention it's one of my favorite scents. It smells amazing. Let's get started. Add in your 3.5 cups of cocoa butter and 1/2 cup of coconut oil to your double boiler and melt the two together. While that is melting, prepare your mold with the coffee beans. Put about 1.5 tablespoons in each mold. The coffee beans have a ton of benefits. They boost circulation, tighten pores, exfoliate dead skin cells, and contain anti-wrinkle properties. Once your mixture is melted, then remove it from the heat and add your 7 milliliters of fragrance and stir it in. Oh, it smells so good. If you like this video, be sure to check out our DIY on how to make lotion bars. They're essentially the same thing, but without the massage element. These two products would pair so nicely together. Now pour it into your prepared molds and let them sit in a cold place for 24 hours. Oh my gosh, these turned out so good. Make sure you store them in a cool, dry area so they don't melt. We made this product for less than $1 and you can sell it wholesale for $3 to $4 and sell it retail for $7 to $8. That's all for today's AFI DIY. Make sure to check out our channel and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of our new videos. I'm Katie, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!